Hi everyone, welcome to another video of TOSCA obstacle series. Today we are going to take a look at the problem statement testing methods 94441. So let's see first what the problem statement is. So here we are talking about a multi-select list box. Select all the testing methods that are supported by TOSCA. So we have to click functional testing. Other than unit testing, we have to select all the options and we have to select all the options in one go. So if I want to do it manually, I'll press a control button and I'll select all the options and my problem statement is solved. Okay, but how do we do it with automation, and how do we perform these actions? Pause the video for a moment, think about the approach, and then watch the remaining video. Now in case of multi-select option, it is very easy uh, to deal with or work with in TOSCA. Let me show you how, as well as we'll take a look at the other problem statement as well, in case we come across like if we have to just click on one item. So we are going to see both the approaches. Now firstly, let me just capture this multi-select box. This is all what we need to work with, so we should be good here. And let me see here, select and multi-select, so we are good. Let me just save this and we'll close this. Now quickly I'll make a test case out of it, so I'll move this to the test cases section. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, so whenever we use this multi-select item, what we are going to do is we are going to get all the things inside that, because when I have scanned, you would have noticed that it is taking the entire thing. Okay, how can we make sure that this is how it is taking that? If I jump to this module attribute, okay, and in this case if I go to this value range, okay, maybe you need to zoom and see that here all the values are getting captured. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just copy this from here, okay, and I'll go to my test cases. Okay, here what I'll do is I'll just pass all the values here. Okay, now what we don't need unit testing. Other than that, we need to select everything. Okay, so I'll just remove unit testing from here. Okay, and I'll run this to see if it is actually working or not. Okay, now stay tuned to this video till the end. I'm going to talk about another method as well, another function, in case you want to just select one item, deselect, and then select another item. I'm going to talk to you about how to work with that as well. So let's first see. So see, our automation problem is solved. So this is how easy it is. However, if we are doing it manually, we have to press on control button or some other methods to select all the options. But this is how easily we can work with multi-select items. Now let's say I have to select one and one options. What I can do is I'll just make a copy of this and I'll put here. Okay, what I can do is I can either pass this again and again. So I can either copy this, or I can go to the module attribute and quickly change the cardinality of this so that we are able to enter this value again and again. So if I put it in here and go to the test cases, and let's say I will remove all of this, okay, from here, and here I will pass one another value. Okay, now what we are trying to do right now is we are trying to select one item, then deselect, and then select another item during the runtime. Okay, so if I run this now, it will first select functional testing and then it will deselect and it will go to GUI testing. Now you may come across this kind of scenario in which you have to select only one item. You can just put that particular value, or if you have to select and keep moving, you can work it like that. So this is how easily we can manage with multi-select items. I have a lot of videos on this TOSCA obstacle series, so do check out this playlist, as well as I have a lot of other videos on TOSCA. So do like, share and subscribe and check out my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.